All down?
Yep. And then you can look at them right after I throw the cross up there. So we got 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, I know this. We flip one over at a time.
4,
And you bet
5.
each
The queen of
card.
spade is wild in the hand. If it comes up on the board, the game is over. And if you go out and it comes up, you're out.
The queen of spade.
Queen of spade is the only wild
In the
card.
hand.
And to make your
We
poker
got 4 down
hand.
or 3?
Oh, did I give you 3?
I have
Three.
3.
Three.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do we
I
all
didn't know if
give
we
a
bet
card
first.
You
back?
get 4.
4.
Sorry. You can only use 1 line for your hand. Okay? This card is turned up last.
Okay.
And you can only use this line or this line.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Let's go.
Gene, turn a card over and bet. Anything but the middle. On here.
Yep.
Bet.
Okay.
Uh,
It was 15 Andy, so you can bet up to
Any
15
change,
or
Debbie, can
30.
you make me change?
I'm gonna go 10
Okay,
because I don't have any more nickels.
that's fine. 10 to you, Lou.
I'd probably go 15, but
Can I pull over or no?
No, you gotta put your money in first. 10 cents in, everybody.
if you're in.
Oh, I put 15 cents in.
No,
Yeah,
we're
that's
betting
what I
now.
started.
It's another
Oh,
10 cents.
That's the Andy.
Keep
Another
putting
10
in.
to
It's
you.
another 10.
Put in your quarter and take back your 15 if you're still in.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll play.
All right, Lou. Anything with the middle. Okay, you bet.
Quarter.
No, you can bet up to. Oh yeah, you
Oh, yeah,
can.
you
I'm
can.
sorry. He bets
Quarter.
quarter to you, Rachel.
Rachel.
I guess everyone
I'll
can
play
just
the
go in and
quarter.
say, please.
Yeah.
'Cause you can't. Well, can she
50.
raise?
Yeah,
Oh,
she can
okay,
raise.
okay.
Yep, 50 to
So-
you, Joanne. 50.
Let's see that.
All right,
Quarter
Rachel.
to wait, quarter to
everything
low, quarter
but.
to low.
Oh, I'm sorry.
A quarter to me?
And a quarter to me, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Rachel, any card but the middle.
Any card but the
Just tell me which one, I'll get it for you.
middle. This one.
This one?
Yep.
Game's over. Queen of Spades. Yes. I had nothing.
I had a
Rachel.
freaking
No, you are
straight
worse.
to the king.
I had a possible flush going.
Oh, 5! That's what I needed.
Oh,
Look
I
at
would have
this.
had. I had a straight to the ace.
You know what?
I had a. Oh my god, a straight
I
flush.
had a full
Oh
house.
my
Look.
god.
Straight working.
Where do you have a straight flush?
Oh.
Where do you have a
Full
I have a-
house.
I have
Two
a-
aces and
5,
3
6,
tens.
7, 8, 9, 10.
You don't
What?
have 10.
I missed the whole
Who's
thing.
got a 10? Do you have a 10?
What do you got? Well, I'm
Oh,
throwing
you
down.
would have
Game's
had
over,
4
baby.
tens.
Ah,
Yeah.
Oh, she had
I
a
would have
flush.
straight. She would have.
She had a
I
flush
had, a, I,
this
had
way.
a, I had a flush to the ace.
I had a
Oh,
full
she
house.
had a full house. Okay,
Sucks to be
money
me.
in the middle.
I had a flush to the king.